Welcome to part one, where we learn how to draw a reindeer. Picture that I mapped out here on Canva has a hilly horizon line, but you can decide to do a hilly one or a straight horizon line or a bumpy horizon line. Your choice, your art. Since we're studying the aurora borealis today and we are drawing a tundra scene at night, you're going to want to draw a moon of your choice in one of the corners of the piece. So our reindeer is arching or rearing back. So your spinal guideline is going to be at a diagonal. So gently scratch that into your paper. I'm pushing pretty hard here so that way you can see my line clearly. But you're going to want to sketch yours lightly so you can erase the guideline later before we're ready to paint or draw. Draw a small vertical line extending off of the top of your diagonal. Then put a circle on the top of that vertical for the head. This time you're going to add another diagonal slant, probably at a 45-degree angle. Then add a skinny rectangle for your muzzle. Add two small tick marks, for one for each ear. Add ellipses or very, very small triangles for your ears. Scratch in those antlers if you choose to have them for your reindeer. Add two slightly curved lines at the base of your circle for your neck. Sketch in another 45-degree diagonal line, but this time at the base of your new circle for one of your legs. Make that line into a backwards L at a tilt. So maybe a 90-degree angle for the knee of the reindeer. Draw a vertical line down from the middle of your circle for the second leg of your reindeer. Make sure it's nice and straight up and down. We're going to curl in here for the hoof, so bear with me. But in the meantime, let's add a circle at the bottom of your diagonal for your second hip. Connect that space between the circles for your torso. Do another backwards L and then add a vertical line at the bottom of your L. Think of a Tetris shape. Yeah, those weird Tetris shapes that you can never find a position for until it's too late. And then add a half circle at the end for the hoof. Draw another circle at the 90-degree angle in which you've made your second backwards L. This will be the thigh for your third leg. Draw another diagonal slant. Branch it out from the middle of your second hip. All right, now it's time to start filling out those legs. Let's start with leg number one. We're going to add a tiny circle or a joint piece to the 90-degree angle in that L. Let's add a skinny rectangle from the circle at the top part of your torso. We're going to draw a skinny rectangle from that end to the circle joint that we just made for the top of our leg. Let's add a skinny rectangle from your knee joint, then add a circle for your ankle joint and a half circle for your hoof. Next, we're going to block in the fuzziness at the nape of the neck all the way down to the chest. Let's repeat process 1 with leg number 2. Time to outline which lines we plan to keep on leg 3. And now it's time to build leg number 4. Using a series of rectangles, circle for the joints, and rectangles for the limbs. Let's add in that cute little tail and then erase our unneeded guidelines. Now you might need to redraw some of the lines because those legs are pretty skinny, and erasing the lines between the legs, you might accidentally erase lines on the outside of the leg. After doing that, reshape your muzzle, fine tune it, and right where your right angle between your muzzle and your neck area, you're going to want to curve that out for the reindeer's neck. So much for joining us for part 1 on how to draw your reindeer using pencil. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks by subscribing or following our channel at Carly's Colorful Corner on YouTube. We also have a Facebook page that you can keep an eye on, or if you are more interested in step-by-step tutorials or demonstrations in person, take a peek at our educational platform on OutSchool. In the meantime, I look forward to seeing you in the classroom.